Now, left corner, you have to click on this RentOk logo. Then comes the tenant onboarding and KYC setting. The tenant onboarding and KYC settings basically uh, on this, the first setting is onboarding payment reminder. So if you have enabled it, means tenant will get all the payment reminders while onboarding. Tenant welcome message, if it is enabled, tenant will get a welcome message saying, hey, welcome Ayush to Gupta's PG, something like that. The message will be sent to all your tenants. By default, tenant profile lock means if you have enabled it, the tenant, why if they download a tenant app, they will not be able to make any changes in the details, whatever the details has been saved. So you have to unlock it, and then only they will be able to fill the details, right? Then add rent for first month only. This is another setting which we have created for different users. In this, if you want the rent should be added only for the current month, then you should enable this setting. Auto approve booking, very important setting. So if there is any check-in which is going to happen on a future date, uh, and you don't want that it should automatically convert it into a tenant into the system, so you have to make sure that this button should be off. Why? It will always ask for your confirmation, manual confirmation, whether this tenant has check-in or not. So make sure you are properly going through these settings and enabling it as per your system and confirm it, right? Then comes to the KYC setting. In KYC setting, now you can disable the KYCs for short-term tenants and enable only for long-term tenants. If you have not enabled eKYC, the tenants will only get a manual KYC option. If you have enabled it, the tenant will get both the option. If it is KYC is mandatory, then the tenant has to do eKYC mandatorily. So we recommend you should enable KYC and you should make it KYC as mandatory and confirm it. Then if you are having if you are doing stamp agreements and if you have procured it from the RentOk, then all the credits and available stamps and purchase stamps and available stamps record will be visible to you over here. Okay. So this is how you can check all these KYC and onboarding settings.